Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Force 1 07. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Force 1 07 shoes, and this pair is in the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11, and this pair is in the black, photo blue, safety orange, summit white colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid, and let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike Air Force 1 07 in the black, photo blue, safety orange, summit white colourway. And let's lift the pair up from the box and take that initial first look. So just setting the box to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the table, and giving you a look at the pair on the tabletop. And now just setting the right shoe in the background as we focus on the left shoe first. Okay, and giving you a look at the left shoe. And let's do a 360 rotation so we have that full and clear initial look. And now taking a much closer in look at its details so we can see the overall black upper of the shoe in a very smooth fine grain leather, as you can see, with the various panels in black, and giving you a close-up look at the details of the toe box with its perforations and the texture of the leather, as well as the mudguard as well, in that same rich black color. And we can see with the midsole in white, sandwiched between the black leather upper and the black outsole or bottom of the shoe. So slowly moving towards the back, we can see a very big Nike swoosh. It is an oversized Nike swoosh, so giving you some perspective there of that large white Nike swoosh. And we can see that it does have a level of some textural qualities to that white detail of that Nike swoosh, and then it is embroidered around the borders in black stitching. And then we can see towards the back the AF1 or Air Force 1 text white on blue. And of course towards the heel we can see the Air script indicating the Nike Air cushioning on the sole. And as we move towards the back, we can see the Nike Air embroidered on the heel tab. So giving you a look at the thread qualities or embroidery of the black around the Nike swoosh, and the white for the Nike Air script or branding on the heel tab. So as we move towards the inside of the shoe, once again we see that oversized or enlarged or very, very big Nike swoosh in white. And once again trying to show you that leather graining of that white Nike swoosh, and of course the stitching or embroidery in black around it. And of course we can see once again the very, very finely grained, super smooth black leather upper and panels right throughout. and moving back towards the front of the shoe once again, continuing towards the mudguard and tip or toe of the shoe. Those very fine details. And now taking a look at the shoe from the tip or toe or front, and slowly moving towards the back as we see the details along the length of the shoe. Once again we see a small white embroidered Nike swoosh towards the front part, and as we move towards the back you can see with the tongue, if we flip the laces forward for a clearer view, you can see a square white patch on the tongue with that photo blue and safety orange Nike Air Force 1 branding on white. And let's pop out the paper stuffing inside the shoe so we can see the details around the inside of the shoe more clearly. So giving you a look around the details of the inside of the shoe, and of course with the tongue, it is puffy with a light level of bolstering to it, and with the ankle and heel collar having a feel around. It does have an even and consistent level of bolstering or padding right around the ankle and heel collar, with a medium level of firmness and thickness to it. And of course, looking around the inside, we can see the Nike Air branding, as well as the materials or composition sticker on the insole or sock liner. So let's see if we can see the details around the inside more clearly. So right there, just around the inside details of this Nike Air Force 1 07. And of course, the Nike Air branding on the heel tab. And of course, taking a look at the back of the tongue as well, just so you have some sense of the lining and details behind or on the inside details of the tongues. Okay, and just tucking the laces back in. And now taking a look at the sole or bottom of the shoe, you can see that it is fully in black, and of course made out of rubber, and giving you a look along its length. And to give you some sense of this black rubber sole, just dragging my finger and tapping my fingernail along that length of that rubber sole. So it's almost anthracite, or a little lighter than black, but nonetheless. Let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, flexibility, or stiffness. And of course, just stretching the shoe or puffing it back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe, so setting the left shoe down and in the background. And now taking a look at the right shoe, and let's do a 360 rotation with this side so you have that full and initial look as well. And of course taking a much closer in look at its details. So once again we see that overall black and white upper with those little white accents with the white embroidered Nike swoosh towards the bottom of the laces, and of course in contrast with that very big or oversized white Nike swoosh or tick on the inside, as well as the outer side of the shoe, and with that blue label with the AF1 text or branding on it. Of course with the midsole in white and the Air branding towards the back, and just giving you an overall look once again with that very smooth and finely grained black leather panels making up the upper of the shoe. And of course with the tongue, once again we see that white tongue patch with the photo blue and safety orange colouring for the Nike Air Force 1 branding. And around the inside details of the shoe, so once again we see the lining details and labels right around the design of the shoe. And with the sole, once again black leather sole or a softer or lighter shade of black, like a very dark grey or anthracite. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. And the bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's Nike Air Force 1 07. Thanks for watching and happy walking!